Now we need to draw a structural formula of the following compound. Now first one is ethyl ethanoate, right? So ethyl part, it comes from alcohol. To draw structural formula, you need to write two carbons because it is eth and Yl mean oxygen is directly linked with carbon. Now since it is structural formula, you need to write hydrogen in this form, and you need to remember that terminal carbon or end carbon always have 3 hydrogen with it. So you need to write CH3 and then CH2, and then you have acid part, which is ethanoate. Now ethanoate mean you have acid part. Now to write acid part, you have to write here C double bond O. And how many carbons for eth? 2 carbons. So this one is terminal and you just need to put CH3. So this is ethyl ethanoate. Now butyl butanoate. For butyl butanoate, butyl mean you need 4 carbon. Now carbon, you just need to put 4 carbon. And you know that terminal carbon always have 3 hydrogen, CH3, CH2, CH2, and then CH2, and they are directly attached with oxygen. So this is your alcohol part. Now what is the acid part? Acid part is butanoate. So butanoate mean you need to draw 4 carbon again. But this carbon is directly, it has double bond with oxygen. So you can write it in this form either, or you can write it in this form. You can write here oxygen like this, and then you have CH2, CH2 and CH3. So I hope you understand this thing. This is a carbon. It should not have hydrogen with it, right? Because it is doubly bonded with oxygen. I hope you are clear about this.